So I have a few multimeters here, and I've collected these ones over probably the last year or so. And this one I've had for a long time. You can see the size difference. So for a long time I only had one multimeter, and I kind of needed at least two. But I found some for a good deal on Amazon, so I figured I'd grab them as they came on sale. So this one's the UT 136C. I'm blind as a bat, so I have to use this magnifying glass to see what the numbers are. But anyway, so pretty good multimeter. It's 4,000 count. For the longest time, I don't know why, I thought that was 2,000 count, but anyway, 4,000 count. And then this one here is the HT118A, and it goes by a bunch of different brand names, which probably all of these ones do. Anyway, so not a bad multimeter. This one's 6,000 count, and I like this multimeter. It's pretty sturdy, decent multimeter. There's a 20,000 count version of this, but I didn't really feel like spending a lot of money, and this was $24 plus tax, obviously. And then this one is the YF770D. This one's 40,000 count, but yeah, it's sort of so-so. It's a little flimsy. You can kind of press on the plastic here and it'll flex a bit, and you can hear this rattles around a little bit, but not the end of the world. But I think this is the least accurate, and I'm going to try all of these with this thing. I just bought this, and this is a voltage reference. Supposed to be high precision, all that stuff, but they didn't put a calibration sticker. Most of these come with a calibration sticker, so I have no idea what the voltages are supposed to be, but we'll compare between these and see if any of them agree with each other, and how close they are. But yeah, there's a little switch here. You can switch from 2.5, 5, 7.5, and 10 volts. So I wish it was calibrated, but you know, that's the way she goes when you buy the cheapest one you can find. And then I bought this multimeter probably last week. Oh yeah, this one was about the same price as the 118A. Like I said, $24.99 on sale, obviously. This one was on sale for, I think it was $29.99 with a $5 coupon, so I think it was exactly the same price as that, if I remember right. So this is the newest one that I've added to my collection. I think I'm pretty much done buying multimeters unless one comes along for a ridiculously good price. But this was 30, I think when I bought it was $35.99 or $34.99, and last time I checked, I think it was $36.99, but don't quote me on that. So this is the OWON OW18, I think. Yeah, OW18E. I guess they have a couple different versions of this. And I was gonna stop with these three, but this one has Bluetooth. None of the other ones do, so you can hook this up probably to a computer. But I know for sure that you can get an app for it from Android and Apple, so that's not so handy for me, but I might use it every once in a while. So, not bad multimeters for cheapies. Except for maybe this one. But anyway, we'll give that a try. So, I have a cable here that I'm going to turn all these on. I don't know if you'll be able to actually see the screen all that good, but I'll do the best I can with what I have here. So these all have backlights and this one doesn't, but hopefully you can see them. I'm not going to turn on the backlights, but we'll hook them up one at a time and go through all the voltages on this thing. And oh yeah, this has a battery in it, so I can just turn it on. I know you're supposed to warm these up for a while, but I don't have time for that right now, so we'll just make do with what I have here. So right now it's on 10 volts, so I'm going to switch it. So it should be on 2.5. So we'll start off with the unity. So 2.501. Remember that, I won't, but yeah, you know. Oh, actually, let's do this. So we'll hold on that, and then we'll do this one. So you can probably see that without me moving it. So we'll hold on that one. And 2.4923, hold on that one. And the last one. I think I have this. Yeah, I just put them in backwards. Don't mind me, I just woke up. It's at 2.498/7, so do we have a hold on this damn thing? I think that might... No, that's not it. Not exactly sure. I just got this, so I don't exactly know. We'll turn it off and turn it back on. I don't see a hold on this one. So we'll just have to remember that this one is 2.497. And let's go up to 5 volts. So that one's 4.996. Take this off a hold. So 4.981. .001. Let's do hold again. And 5 point, well, fluctuating back and forth between 4.99 and 5.00. So, not bad. And I'm just going to quickly go through the 7.5. Didn't switch, but so 7.49. I'm not going to bother putting these on hold. Just go through this real quick. 7.5 basically. Let's see here. I know this one's gonna be the least accurate. 7.470. And 7.4923, whatever. and 10 volts. 9.973 or 4. I saw 5 there for a sec. 9.945. And 9.98. And last one, 9.97. I think I did see it fluctuate a little bit, but 9.97, 9.98. But these all seem pretty good. I'm not going to go through the specs and figure out if they're within spec or not, but I just wanted to test this little module out. And yeah, like I said, I wish this had the calibration sticker on the back of it. I looked at the ads and compared them, and I couldn't figure out which ones had it and which ones didn't, so I just grabbed the cheapest one, and obviously I didn't get it, so I can't really say which of these is more accurate, because I don't have an accurate measurement of what the voltage is on these, so, or on this I should say. So anyway, real quick before I go, I'll show you something else that I just finished not too long ago. Keep in mind that I didn't design this case, but let's put these out of the way. And I have my upside down. I have my GM 328 transistor tester here, and printed a case, 3D printed a case for it, and put threaded metal inserts in there, or metal threaded inserts, however you want to say it, and rubber feet, and it has binding posts for the, like, they go, these three in the middle go to the ZIF socket, and this here is for the voltage measurement. I should have probably put that this in with the multimeters and tested the voltage, but I can do that another time. If you want to see a video about this, I can take it apart, not completely because it's a pain in the butt to put back together because it's soldered wires on the inside and stuff, but I can take it apart and show you what it looks like and do a little bit of testing on it or whatever.